Hi there. If you're already in the home servicing sector and providing home services anywhere in the UK or starting to establish your own company, getting in touch with Hello Services is the best choice. We are one of the fastest growing home servicing companies in the UK. The company was founded in 2019. Since then, we have grown to a nationwide home servicing company. We have access to one of the best technologies in the market. Hence, you will be guaranteed with flow of jobs. We have a dedicated team 7 days a week to help you, to book you jobs. While we book you jobs, you can focus on expanding your business to different areas and providing different services. So why not get in touch with us where you will be guaranteed with flow of jobs? Click on the link and fill in the form. A dedicated team will be in touch to get you on board. Thank you and looking forward to hearing from you. Take care.